going against the bits. Alright, we'll choose Flourish. This is a new board, kind of like that. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. We want faster hands. We're going first.
The calm before the storm.
Alright, so
Best of luck.
stick with this guy first. So go. Okay. Yep. That makes sense.
My turn.
What's the best way to go? It's probably to play this and attack them directly for 3. Makes sense to me. So I'm not going to attack their hog because I don't want to trade. I'll make them initiate the first action. So they could technically take this. And then I have to hit back with that. That may not have been the best move. But we're making them spend an extra mana, so I guess it could be okay. Oh, they hit us. Oh, it's confused. That's fine. That works out great. Oh, shoot. Okay. Let's see. Probably play another one of these. And then give this regen 2. And hit there. And then we'll pass the turn. Let's see. I'm gonna guess they give this +1 and they're gonna hit here, or they're gonna attempt to. Hopefully it gets confused and hits me. I'll take that. Fine. Alright. Well, they'll be able to take that out. That's unfortunate. Yep, makes sense. I guess I should have traded with this a long time ago. But it is what it is, I suppose. Let's just take it out. And then play this and this. Let's hope they play a humongous just wall, or that skunk. Although I think that thing costs 5. Oh, they hit me. That's interesting. Okay. I do wonder why they attacked me for one. Seems kind of useless, to be honest. Next turn, drop this. Our opponent. Taking a lot of time. Yeah, that's fine. Did they buy that? What? How in the world? Whatever.
Awaken.
I can play that. That's sick. I think we'd rather... I don't know. Do we deal the 3 damage? They'll be able to hit... I think we just want tempo. Mainly because they have Flourish. It really makes the game suck.
We must find peace.
I'm guessing they'll hit with the sword here. Yeesh, hit the little guy. Yeah, that's fair. Uh-huh.
I'm ready.
Alright. That's a backline. Yeah. We can't kill it, so I'm not gonna try. Probably should have read what all it does, but we'll just keep pushing. Frontline +2. Frontline card is tempting. Let's see what they do.
I will not back down.
Wow. Alright. So I guess it only has an ability. That's fine. It can't attack. They're gonna play one over the top? What? Yeah. Alright, fine. So they played that. I don't have anything to get rid of that, do I? Nope.
Answer the call.
Okay. So... Gosh, that thing is so
We all
strong.
have our limitations.
Yeah, that's right. Fudge. So I think we'll play that. Give this regen too. Gonna hit here. Gonna hit here. Come on. You can do it. Alright. And then we will not hit that. That's great. That's exactly what we wanted. Looks like frontline is pretty tempting. Not that it matters, because they can just ping us. Sure. Is it every time it attacks? Jeez. That thing is so strong. Yep. Probably deal 2 damage. Yeah, I think our opponent has this one. This is rough. This card is either really good or just absolutely terrible. We've seen much of our top end. I guess we saw the deal 3 damage dude. He seems pretty underwhelming. He was good in lower rank, but in this higher stuff, it's just not it. Games are going way longer. Old strategies don't seem to work as well.
My turn.
So... we can kill it. Which seems fine. Um, 12. I don't know. I think we just hold it on that off chance that they play something. I mean, they've got 11 health left. We have a chance to get there. I don't know if we will. Oh my gosh. That's gonna do it. I don't think I can beat another one of those. This ain't it. Could get frontline. I mean, seems the most relevant out of everything.
I don't have enough mana.
Oh, rough. Alright, fair enough.
It's the circle of life.
Here we go. We got a major tempo swing. Yep. These things are so strong. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yep. Doing 9 damage. Yeah, we're pretty sunk.
Answer the call.
I mean, they have to kill some of our creatures. They have recovery too, that's so insane. Yeah, sure. Oh my gosh, what is going on?
This is not the way.
Oh, alright. That's fair. Maybe they'll leave it alive. Oh my gosh, I think we won. I think we won. Oh, what a steal! That's people. That's insanity. They've got to be so pissed. So pissed. Oh my gosh, confusion wins us the game. I thought we were dead. This is why you don't quit games. Oh, that was amazing. What the fuck? Woo! Shoot! That was amazing.